Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between tall mountains, there was a wise old master named Master Han. He had a special dojo where children from all over the village would come to learn the ancient art of martial arts. But Master Han didn't just teach them how to kick, punch, or block. He taught them something much more important, the secrets to becoming a true martial artist. One sunny morning, Master Han gathered all the children around him. Today, he began, I will tell you the story of the 12 golden principles that every martial artist must know. These principles are like magical keys. They open the door to not only great skill but also to becoming the best version of yourself. The children's eyes sparkled with curiosity as they listened closely. The first key, discipline. Master Han told the story of a young boy named Jean who was always restless. He wanted to become the fastest and strongest, but he didn't like to practice. One day, Master Han said, Jean realized that without practicing every day, he would never reach his goal. So, he learned to follow a strict routine, training his mind and body, and soon he became the fastest in the village. The children learned that discipline means practicing every day and following the rules. The second key, respect. Next, Master Han spoke of Mei, a kind-hearted girl who always bowed to her teachers and greeted her friends with a smile. Mei knew that to truly learn, she had to show respect to everyone, including her opponents. She even respected the smallest ant, for she knew that all life is valuable. The children nodded, understanding that respect is about being kind and honoring everyone around you. The third key, humility. There was once a strong warrior named Li, Master Han continued. He was so powerful that many feared him, but he was never boastful. He always helped those who were weaker and never showed off his strength. Li knew that there was always something new to learn, and that's why he was so wise. The children realized that humility means being modest, even when you're very good at something. The fourth key, focus. Master Han then shared the story of Sora, who could hit any target with her bow and arrow. But Sora wasn't just good because she had strong arms, she was good because she had a strong mind. She could block out all distractions and focus entirely on her target. The children learned that focus means paying attention and concentrating on what you are doing. The fifth key, balance. There was a boy named Tao, Master Han said, who could walk across the thinnest branch without falling. He had perfect balance, not just with his feet but with his emotions too. When he was angry or sad, he would take deep breaths and find his calm center. The children understood that balance is important both for your body and your feelings. The sixth key, perseverance. Master Han smiled as he told the tale of Yuki, who never gave up. Yuki was small, and the challenges she faced seemed too big for her. But she kept trying, no matter how hard things got. In the end, her determination helped her overcome every obstacle. The children saw that perseverance means never giving up, even when things are tough. The seventh key, adaptability. In the forest, Master Han said, there was a fox named Akio who could change his path whenever he needed to. When the river flooded, he found a new way. When the trees fell, he climbed over them. Akio was always ready to adapt. The children learned that adaptability is about being flexible and adjusting to new situations. The eighth key, efficiency. There was a girl named Hannah, Master Han continued, who could move with such grace that she never wasted a single movement. Every step, every jump, every punch was done with purpose and skill. The children discovered that efficiency means doing things the smart way, using just the right amount of energy. The ninth key, self-control. Master Han then spoke of Kai, a boy who had a fiery temper. But Kai learned to control his emotions through deep breathing and meditation. He became calm and thoughtful, always thinking before he acted. The children learned that self-control is about managing your feelings and actions. The 10th key, harmony. There was a girl named Luna who loved the sound of the wind and the song of the birds, Master Han said. She knew that to be truly happy, she had to live in harmony with everything around her, her friends, her family, and nature. The children realized that harmony is about living peacefully with the world and the people in it. The 11th key, courage. Master Han's voice grew stronger as he spoke of Ryu, a brave boy who faced his fears. Ryu was afraid of the dark, but one night, he decided to face it. He walked into the forest and found that it wasn't scary at all. Ryu learned that courage isn't about being fearless, but about facing your fears and doing what's right. The 12th key, respect for life. Finally, Master Han told the story of a wise old turtle named Kame who never harmed another creature. Kame knew that every life was precious, and he always used his strength to protect, not to harm. He believed that martial arts should be used to defend and never to attack. The children understood that respect for life means valuing all living things and using your skills to protect, not to hurt. As Master Han finished, the children felt a sense of wonder. They knew that these 12 golden principles were the true secrets to becoming a great martial artist, not just in skill, but in heart and mind as well. And so, they vowed to follow these principles in their journey, knowing that with these keys, they could unlock the path to greatness.